Crowns glittered under torchlight. Whispers spread like wildfire. Mary's steps echoed loudly. Danger lurked in shadows. Marie plotted in silence. Cleopatra's eyes burned gold. Elizabeth's smile hid daggers. Queens vied for power. Secrets passed through letters. Allies vanished overnight. Plots thickened like fog. Every glance carried threats. Daggers gleamed beneath robes. Crowds murmured in fear. The throne shook constantly. Every choice could kill. Mary stood unflinching. Accusers circled like wolves. History waited impatiently. Judgment fell like thunder. Power came with peril. Legends were forged painfully. Infamy shadowed their reigns. Stories linger beyond time. Who survived the treachery? Which queen commanded loyalty? Whispers tell their stories. Learn the secrets now.